Hello everyone, today we're going to learn how to grow healthy, juicy tomatoes right here in Uganda. I'm Andrew, and I've been growing tomatoes successfully for over 10 years in different regions across the country. In Uganda, we can grow tomatoes year-round, but the best planting times are during the two dry seasons, December to February and June to August. This helps prevent fungal diseases that are common in our humid climate. Tomatoes need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Choose a spot with good drainage and protection from strong winds. If you're in a wet area like central Uganda, consider raised beds to improve drainage. Mix your soil with well-rotted manure and compost. Our Ugandan red soil is generally good for tomatoes, but it needs organic matter. Add 2 parts local soil, 1 part aged manure and 1 part compost. Test the soil pH. Aim for 6.0 to 6.8, which is perfect for tomatoes. For Uganda, I recommend Tengeru 97, which is disease-resistant and really good for our climate. Then there's Rio Grande, excellent for sauce making. Marglobe is hardy and great for fresh eating. And finally, Moneymaker, a popular market variety. First, make planting holes 60 centimeters apart. Then, add a handful of wood ash to each hole for calcium. Next, plant seedlings slightly deeper than they were in the nursery, and don't forget to water thoroughly. Use local materials like bamboo or strong sticks. In Uganda, we often use wooden stakes, string support systems, or local reed supports. Water early morning or evening to prevent evaporation. During dry seasons, water young plants daily and established plants 2 to 3 times per week. Use mulch like dry grass to retain moisture. Common pests in Uganda include Tuta absoluta, also known as the tomato leaf miner whiteflies, and nematodes. Natural solutions involve using neem extract spray, marigold companion planting, and ash dusting for insects. In our humid climate, watch for bacterial wilt, early blight, and late blight. Prevention includes crop rotation, good air circulation, and using clean farming tools. Harvest when tomatoes are light red to prevent spoilage. For market sales, harvest slightly earlier and let them ripen naturally. Store ripe tomatoes in a cool, dry place. If selling, grade by size and quality, use clean crates for transport, and consider local market days for the best prices. Remember, successful tomato growing in Uganda depends on proper timing, good disease management, and regular care. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Ugandan farming tips.